Hi everybody, this is Cat, Walk It Out, 1963. This is Ganja. Okay, he is like 25 years old. He's going to live forever. I want to show you one of his favorite things in the whole world. It's my vacuum cleaner. The hose with a brush. He doesn't care which side. Watch him. He wants to be vacuumed. And yes, it is on. I do not know why he likes this so much, but he does. He will sit here and let you vacuum him. Watch him, he'll even rub up against it. See? He's like, oh. Thought I'd show you that. I always found it to be cute. You know how most cats will run or, whoops, there goes the tail. But, you know how most cats will run and hide from the vacuum cleaner? Nope, not Ganja. He sits there and waits patiently for you to vacuum him. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Now watch what happens when I take it away and turn it off. You're done. You have been vacuumed. Ganja. You're done. Yes, you are. I'm sorry, you're just done.
I don't think he agrees.
I think he wants more. You want me to vacuum more? You want more? You want some more? You want some more?
Oh, no,
he's going to go milk. Oh, we'll see if we can get him to say milk. He usually says milk. There he goes. You want some milk?
Okay.
Ganja? Ganja? Do you want milk?
Should I give you some?
There he goes. He's starting to... Milk? 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 There you go. He said it. Milk? Ganja. You want your milk? Ganja. Ganja. You want your milk? Milk? He said it once, but now, oh, he wants you to do it, Ballistic A.
You want some milk? Milk? Milk?
There he goes. He said it.
Milk?
Okay. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, everybody.
Oh, there goes my phone.
There goes the phone again.
Okay.
Ginger.
No, my hair's not brushed or anything.
Bye, everybody. Ooh, look at her feet. And she steps on her foot. Run, little girl. Bye, everybody. Please like, comment, and subscribe about how pretty my cat is. Just remember, he's 25 years old.
26 now.
Well, yeah, he's about 26 now. Bye. I'll put you back on camera.
Don't forget to drink your milk.
And don't forget to drink your milk, boys and girls. You'll live long and healthy, just like him with asthma. Bye.